So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the green or the pink glitch effects on your exported videos in Premiere Pro. For example, if I exported something, it looks all good, but when you start the playback of that video, you'll find out that it has added some green or the pink glitches in between of the export. Now, in between of the exported video. Now, in order to fix that, just simply all you need to do is to just simply clear the caches that have been stored previously. Now in order to do it, just simply click on edit right there, and here click on preferences over there, then click on media cache right there, and here you need to click on this option of remove media cache files. Click over there, and here once you do it, you'll notice that all the glitches have been removed. Just simply hit OK and you are good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.